Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we started our Unit 1, okay? So where we already discussed about the introduction part of Artificial Intelligence search strategies, and the next concept is the statistical analysis, okay? So in that, we already discussed about the correlation coefficient, residual error, mean squared error, and the root mean squared error, okay? So this is our last video related to the unit 1, where the last point of this unit is a probability distribution and the discrete probability distribution and the continuous probability distribution. So let us discuss here what is meant by probability distribution. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the fundamental concept of statistical analysis, that is the probability distribution. So they helps to understand data better and act as a basis of understanding further statistical concept such as confidence interval and some hypothesis issues. Okay. So in the probability distributions, let x be a random variable that has more than one possible outcome. So we have to plot the probability on the y-axis. Okay, so see here, in the y-axis we have the probability density function, and the outcome is on the x variables, or a x-axis, which is on the x variables. So if we repeat this experiment many times, the plot of this particular probability of each possible outcome, we get plot that represents the probabilities. So this plot is called as a probability distribution, that is the PD. So the height of the graph of x gives the probability of that outcome. Okay, so there are different variables are present, and based on these variables we are finding out the probability density. So we get this type of graph. So height of this graph, it means that the probability of that particular outcome. Okay, so the most common probability distributions can be defined using some few parameters, and it will provide some procedures to calculate some expected values and some variance. So what is mean by expected values here? So the expected values is nothing but the average value of a random variable, average value of the random variables. Okay, and the variance means what? The average speed of the value around the expected value. Okay, so the structure of this probability distribution will differ depending on whether the random variables is discrete or continuous. Okay, so here the probability distribution will be differ depending on the random variables. So random variables which is in the form of discrete random variable, or this random variables is in the form of a continuous random variable. Okay, so the random variables are divided into the two types: probability distribution of a discrete random variable, and another thing is a probability distribution of a continuous random variable. Okay, so if we are using discrete value, so we are getting this type of graph. If we are getting the continuous random variable, so we get this type of graph. Okay, so the next part is the types of probability distribution, where the first type is a discrete probability distribution. So this distribution models the probability of random variable that can have discrete values as outcome. For example, if you are having some possible values for the random variables, that is x, and that represent the number of heads that occur when a coin is tossed twice at the set, that is 0, 1, 2, and not any value from 0 to 2 like 0.1 or some 1.0 values. So this discrete probability distribution summarizes the probabilities for the discrete random variables. So here the expected value for a discrete random variable can be calculated from a sample using the model. So how to find out? By using the example like finding the most common values. अगर रैंडम वेरिएबल्स में से मोस्टली कॉमनली कौन से वैल्यूज़ यूज़ करते हैं वो उसे हमें फाइंड करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको चेक कर सकते हैं. एंड सम ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटीज इन द PMF इक्वल टू 1. So PMF means what? Probability mass function. Okay. So here the probability mass function is a PMF, the probability of a value for a discrete random variable, and cumulative distribution function is what here? The probability less than or equal to the value of a random variables. So here the probability mass function or a PMF define the probability distribution for a discrete random variable, and it is a function that assigns a probability for a specific discrete values. And this discrete probability distribution has some cumulative distribution functions, that is CDF. So this is a function that assigns the probability that a discrete random variable will have a value of a less than or equal to the equal to a value for a random variables. Okay. So some examples of well-known discrete probabilities included like Poisson distribution, aka Bernoulli or binomial distribution is one of the important distribution technique in a discrete probability. Then multinomial and multinomial distribution hai, and the last one is the discrete uniform distribution. Okay, so these are the different probability distribution examples. And the next thing is some examples of common domains with well-known discrete probability distributions included like the probability of dice rolls from a discrete uniform distribution, the probability of coin flips from a Bernoulli distribution, and the probability scar color from a multinomial distribution. Okay, so this is all about the discrete probability distribution. The second type of probability distribution is a continuous probability distribution. So these distributions model the probabilities of random variables that can have any possible outcome. Okay, that can have any possible outcome. But in the discrete model, the random variable that can have discrete value as a outcome. So for example, in the continuous probability distribution, the possible value for the random variable is x, and that represents some weight of a citizen in the town. Okay, so कोई भी सिटी के हमें weight चेक करने हैं हर एक के. Okay, so which can have any values like weight 34 हो सकता है, 50 हो सकता है, 57.7 हो सकता है, 80 हो सकता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी रैंडम वेरिएबल्स है उसमें से पॉसिबल आउटकम को हम चेक कर रहे हैं. ओके, so this continuous probability distribution summarizes the probability for a continuous random variable. Okay, so here we are using the probability distribution function for value of for finding the continuous random variable. Okay, so see here in the discrete values also we are using the probability mass function PMF and the cumulative distribution function CDF for the discrete random variable. In the continuous also we are using this probability distribution function and the cumulative distribution function for the continuous random variables. So the probability distribution function defines the probability distribution for a continuous random variable, and the difference in the name from the discrete random variable that has the probability mass function. Okay, so in the continuous we are using the probability distribution function, that is PDF, but the only one difference is what in the discrete PDF we are using the probability mass function. Okay, for the discrete we are using PMA, for the continuous we are using the PDF. Okay, so like a discrete probability distribution, the continuous probability distribution also has a cumulative distribution function, that is CDF, that define the probability of a value less than or equal to the value of a random variables. So in the continuous probability distributions, we are having some examples which is called as a well-known continuous probability distribution, which included the normal or Gaussian distribution, power law distribution, and Pareto distribution. And there are another examples related to the CPD, that is related to the domains with the well-known continuous probability distribution, which is included like the probability of the height of the human from a normal distribution, the probability of a movie being a hit from a power law distribution, and the probabilities of income level form a Pareto distribution. So these are the different types of probability distribution in the form of discrete PDD, probability distribution, as in the form of a continuous probability distribution. So what are the terminologies related to this continuous distribution and discrete distribution? Okay, so in the each probability distribution we have to provide some extra information on the behavior of the data involved, कि कौन से टाइप का डेटा हमारे पास इन्वॉल्व किया है, कौन से टाइप का डेटा को हमने यूज़ किया है. ऑन दैट बेसिस वी आर यूजिंग द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लाइक continuous probability distribution or a discrete probability distribution. So each probability distribution is given by some probability functions that generalize the probabilities of that particular outcome. Okay, so here we discuss about probability distribution. There are two types of probability distribution like discrete, and another thing is a continuous probability distribution. Okay, thank you.